independent MLA Ravi Rana there, who says that his house in Amravati, from where he is an MLA, has been attacked. He's worried about his children being home at this point in time. Remember, this is a controversy that has broken out over loudspeakers in Hanuman Chalisa, where massive ruckus outside the residence of Amravati MP Navneet Rana was seen. Shiv Sena workers stage a protest. The reason? The MP and her husband, the independent MLA Ravi Rana, said that Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray must be reciting Hanuman Chalisa, and refusal to do so is going to force them to do it right outside Matushri, recite the Hanuman Chalisa with their supporters. Now, MNS had made a similar threat, saying that loudspeakers from mosque must be removed where azan is put out in loudspeakers. That's not something MNS was happy about. Meanwhile, the Mumbai police has also served a notice to the MLA and the MP, saying that if things do go out of hand vis-a-vis law and order, the couple would be responsible.
फैमिली के साथ में वो मातोश्री के बाहर आए और अपने पूरे शिव सैनिकों के साथ में उन्होंने घर में मीटिंग ली। पदाधिकारियों को हमला करने के लिए उन्होंने तैयार किया और जब कल रात तक बैरिकेड को कोई टच भी नहीं कर पाया जो शिव सैनिक, आज वो बैरिकेड को तोड़ के गेट के अंदर तक कैसे आते हैं, ये पहला प्रश्न है मेरा इनसे। या तो डिपार्टमेंट उनके प्रेशर में काम कर रही है या डिपार्टमेंट उनके अनुसार काम कर रही है। दोनों में से ये एक चीज है। अगर इतनी खुलेआम अगर गुंडागर्दी शिवसेना में कर रही है, और मैं अभी भी बोल रही हूँ कि मैं नीचे भी जाऊंगी और गेट के बाहर भी जाऊंगी और मातोश्री के बाहर हम हनुमान चालीसा का पाठन भी करेंगे, उसमें कोई भी हमें रोक नहीं सकता है। तुम्हारे पास जरूर प्रशासन और सरकार होगी तुम्हारी, पर ताकत तो हमको भी हमारे लोगों ने दी है। तुम तुम्हारे पीढ़ी के भरोसे खा रहे हो, हम अपने स्वतः हमारा भविष्य हमने निर्माण करके यहाँ पर आए और बजरंग बली की ताकत, संकट मोचन की ताकत हमारे साथ है।
गुंडे हमारे घर पे हमला के लिए भेजे जो बाला साहब के सैनिक नहीं है। बाला साहब के सैनिक अगर रहते थे तो मेरे को मालूम है वो हनुमान चालीसा हमारे साथ पढ़ते थे। ये पावर का दुरुपयोग मुख्यमंत्री महाराष्ट्र में कर रहे हैं। महाराष्ट्र में हाहाकार मचा है, कायदा सुव्यवस्था बिगड़ी हुई है और हमारे घर में घुस के हमारे गेट को लात मार रहे हैं, हमारे अंदर घुस के हमारे घर में घुस के हम पे हमला करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अगर महाराष्ट्र के अंदर एक आमदार और खासदार अगर सुरक्षित नहीं है तो आम जनता महाराष्ट्र की कैसे सुरक्षित रहेगी, ये महाराष्ट्र की जनता का सवाल है।
Series of reactions that have been coming in on the story. Listen in.
राष्ट्रपती राजवट लागेल, केंद्रीय सेंट्रल एजन्सीज येतील, या धमक्या देऊ नका। हा हिम्मत असेल तर लावा, CBI लावा, ED लावा, आम्हाला त्रास द्या, आम्ही तुम्हाला घाबरत नाही। आणि शिवसैनिकांवरती आता कोणाचाही कंट्रोल नाही या क्षणी।
हनुमान चालीसा का हमें कोई विरोध नहीं है, पर वो जो ढोंगी हनुमान भक्त हैं उनका विरोध है, जो भारतीय झूठी पार्टी के एजेंट बनकर मुंबई की कानून व्यवस्था को खराब करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हमें उनसे प्रॉब्लम है और मैं यही कह रही हूँ, उन्होंने ओपन चैलेंज दिया ना, हमने चैलेंज को स्वीकारा है। आप आइए ना, अगर वो आज नहीं आए तो ये प्रूव हो जाएगा कि जो फेक कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट बनाकर चुनाव जीतते हैं वो ऐसा माहौल बनाकर फेक हनुमान भक्ति करते हैं।
RSS के हेडक्वार्टर में जाके बैठे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस के घर में जाके बैठे, यहाँ के क्या करने की जरूरत है? ये ऐसे बदमाशगिरी करने वाले जो लोग हैं ना, उन्हें कभी भी शिवसैनिक माफ नहीं करेंगे।
क्योंकि अपने महाराष्ट्र में, अपने मुंबई में इधर वादंग चाहिए उनको। ये करने के बाद
Going across straight to a press conference that's being held by the minister now. Listen in.
अशा स्वरूपाची अटक किंवा कोणती त्यांच्या संदर्भात कारवाई न करणं आणि हा विषय दिरंगाई स्वरूपात वाढवणं, असं काही हेतू आहे का, असा आरोप केला जातो।
नाही, असं त्यांचं म्हणणं आहे का? त्यांना तिथंच का डिटेन केलं नाही?
नाही, बाकीचे वर्तुळ सगळे म्हणणंच आहे ना।
नाही, कोणाचं म्हणणं आहे? कोणाचं म्हणणं आहे?
नाही, का घेतलं जात नाही हा प्रश्न।
Minister Dilip Walse Patil is taking a press conference. In the press conference, he has said in Mumbai and Maharashtra, law and order is fine, but some people are trying to disturb it and spread news and making attempts which are hampering the law and order situation of Maharashtra. Is also said on the Rana couple, Navneet Rana and Ravi Rana. We don't need to answer them. The the CM, HM and police have taken stock of the situation. If necessary, action will be taken by CP if deemed fit. Read Hanuman Chalisa at your home in Mumbai and Amravati. Why you are reciting it outside CM's personal house? People are demanding that the demands are being made of presidential rule in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Representatives should act responsibly and don't take law and order in your hands or hamper situation which hampers the peace of Mumbai and Maharashtra.
कुठल्याही प्रकारची अशांतता निर्माण होणार नाही, कुठल्याही प्रकारचा क्षोभ वाढणार नाही, कुठल्याही प्रकारची तेढ वाढणार नाही.
They know that their actions can lead to unpeaceful situation, law and order situation. They being the people's representative, they should understand things which can take a law and order situation issue in hand and hands. Accordingly, they should follow law and order, and for publicity, they should not do such stunts.
मी सांगतो की पुढं केलेलं फायदा आहे याच्यामध्ये काही त्यांची एवढी हिंमत आहे असं नाही, परंतु असे काही प्रश्न त्याच्यामधून काढून एक सरकारची प्रतिमा, राज्याची प्रतिमा मलिन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा.
There are issues being made out of small things like Hanuman Chalisa, and then they are blaming Maharashtra government, saying that there is a law and order failure. So for small minor issues being brought in Maharashtra, politics is being played over it, and then Maharashtra government is being blamed for a law and order issue in the state.
मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी हेच सांगितलं आहे की कायदा आणि सुव्यवस्था सगळी सुरक्षित राहण्याच्या दृष्टिकोनातून ज्या ज्या उपाययोजना करायच्या असतील त्या त्या उपाययोजना करतो.
I have spoken to the Chief Minister on phone line. He has told me and instructed me that law and order situation should be maintained in Mumbai and Maharashtra at all costs. A tour of Prime Minister is scheduled to happen in Mumbai tomorrow. The police is making all security arrangements for it. Maharashtra's Home Minister Dilip Walse Patil is addressing a press conference on the entire issue of Ravi Rana and Navneet Rana being in Mumbai to go at Matushri and Sena threatening them that they cannot come out of their house. He's saying that law and order situation should be maintained, and people, public representatives should understand that such things can become a law and order issue, and they should not hamper the peace of the city. He has also said that he has spoken to Chief Minister of Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray on phone line. He has instructed Home Minister that law and order should be maintained in the state. We have also asked and instructed the police that the instructions have been made to them that in case they want to return back to Amravati, arrangements should be made for it.
मला माहिती नाही हा जो हिंदुत्व किंवा हा जो विषय आहे हा विषय त्या दोन पक्षांमधला विषय आहे. त्यामुळे
Home Minister has also criticized Navneet Rana and Ravi Rana that they have given this condition that they want to go outside Matushri and recite Hanuman Chalisa. He has said that they should recite Hanuman Chalisa in Amravati and inside their house.
या बैठकीमध्ये सर्व पक्षाच्या दोन प्रतिनिधींना बोलवलेलं आहे आणि या बैठकीमध्ये चर्चा एकाच विषयावर होणार आहे की आज जे सुप्रीम कोर्टाने जे जजमेंट दिलेलं आहे.
Mumbai police can also cite a law and order issue because tomorrow Prime Minister Narendra Modi is due to visit Mumbai tomorrow evening on a visit, and as Maharashtra police and Mumbai police has made all the relevant security arrangements, such kind of situations which is there can also lead to a problem, and hence as of now the Home Minister has said that all preparations for security clearance of Prime Minister is being done.
असं आहे पवार साहेबांच्या केसच्या संदर्भामध्ये त्या ठिकाणी थेट घरामध्ये घुसण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. आता इथं
Home Minister is now referring to a different case in which MSRTC workers had gone to Sharad Pawar's house, Silver Oak, in Mumbai, and there they had protested.
त्याचा राग एवढा यायला पाहिजे त्यावेळेचा एक खेळाचा प्रकार होता आणि हा जो आहे आंदोलनाचा प्रकार आहे. खात्यावर टार्गेट करायचं कारणच एवढं आहे की मुळामध्ये त्यांना जे अपेक्षित आहे त्या अपेक्षित हे आहे की आम्हाला कुठल्याही पद्धतीनं राज्यामध्ये कायदा आणि सुव्यवस्था नाही हा विषय प्रामुख्याने त्यांना पुढे आणायचा आहे आणि त्याच्यामधून राज्यामध्ये सरकार अस्थिर कसं
The kind of arrangements that are being made as far as the situation in Mumbai city is concerned. We're getting the very latest on that. We're going to go across to Mustafa Sheikh also with all the details. We've seen this face-off, an ugly one really, over the issue of Hanuman Chalisa and loudspeakers. Give us an idea about the manner in which the authorities, the Mumbai police particularly, is looking at stopping the escalation.
Well, a notice was given to Navneet Rana and Ravi Rana yesterday itself by Mumbai police, saying that if you go outside Matushri to recite Hanuman Chalisa, there can be a law and order issue. They had also said that if you want to register any protest by the High Court of Bombay in Mumbai, the designated site for protest is Azad Maidan, and there you should go and do anything which you want to do. After then, that too, they had come out and said in a press conference that they will go at Matushri at 9 a.m. on Saturday. They have not left their house in Khar, right where we are standing right now, but at the same time simultaneously the Shiv Sena workers have become aggressive. Yesterday they were outside this lane when police barricading had happened. This morning they broke the barricades, and now behind us if you'll see that Shiv Sena workers are present and they are still outside the house of Navneet Rana and Ravi Rana. They have said that they will not be leaving this house till the time the couple leaves Mumbai. So that is a situation in which Mumbai police is finding itself. It has to maintain law and order. At the same point of time, Navneet Rana is a member of parliament, Ravi Rana is an MLA, and hence they cannot restrict their rights. The police had told them that they will not be allowed to go to Matushri. If they want to move around anywhere else, they are free to do so. But if they go and plan to go towards Matushri, then they will be detained or arrested, and the notice which was given will be used as an evidence against them. And since morning also Navneet Rana again said that she will go to Matushri, and now at 3 p.m. they are going to take a press conference. Ravi Rana has already said that there was an attack at his house in Amravati, the state in hand in gloves with Shiv Sena. There were his children inside the house when the attack had taken place. So we'll have to wait and see what will be Navneet Rana's announcement in this entire issue, because if she does not take back this her demand of going outside Matushri and reciting Hanuman Chalisa, then the law and order situation pretty much will remain the same. We have seen outside Matushri also there are Shiv Sainiks which are standing there in shifts, morning shift, afternoon shifts, night shifts, and at all times they are standing at Khar and at Matushri to make sure that they are not allowed to move anywhere inside the city of Mumbai. So that's the kind of situation which the Mumbai police is dealing with. They have given prevention notice to the Rana couple. We'll have to wait and see what they say in the press conference, and after that Mumbai police can take some steps, because we are being told that the law and order situation in Mumbai cannot continue to be like this, because Prime Minister is going to make his movement in Mumbai tomorrow. There will be an event he'll be attending tomorrow evening, and hence the law and order situation is very critical at that point of time, given the Prime Minister's security which he has to be given, and hence this cannot continue, and the Shiv Sainiks and the Ranas cannot be at loggerheads while the PM is coming to the city. And given this situation, if they don't decide to leave Mumbai, there is some action which Mumbai police is likely to take back to you.
All right, Mustafa, we'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that developing story from Mumbai city. Of course, it's spilled over to Amravati as well.